High-quality do-rag with superior stretch, long tails and ties to secure hair. Superior stretch material keeps head cool and dry. Locks in moisture for overnight maintenance and healthy hair growth or retention. Keeps styles laid and intact overnight. Great for use with waves, fades, and low-cut styles. WavEnforcer Spin Snug Fit Do-Rag has a superior stretch material that keeps head cool and dry. Locks in moisture for overnight maintenance and healthy hair growth or retention. Features include superior stretch material for a comfortable fit. Long tail and ties allow for a secure fit. Great for use with waves, fades and low-cut styles. Keeps styles laid and intact overnight. Top reviews from the United States. Best do-rag I have ever used. I have had many do-rags over the years and hands down this is the best one. I have locks and the best part about this do-rag is how stretchy the fabric is. I am able to wrap the tails around my head and then around my locks before tying. On top of that the fabric is soft and with the stretchy tails I'm able to tuck the flap in and have the top completely flat.